Stop. This is important. The choice you make right now can make or break your lawn. Are you going to seed or are you going to focus on weed control this fall? September's almost here, and that means it's time to talk about one of the biggest choices you'll need to make for your lawn. Do you want to plant new grass seed or do you want to stop weeds before they start? You can't do both at the same time, and here's why. If you want to seed, you cannot use products like Prodiamine or Dithiopyr. These are called pre-emergents. And while they're awesome for stopping weeds, they also stop your new grass seed from growing. Think of it like putting a lid on the soil. It keeps the bad weeds out, but it also keeps the good grass seed from sprouting. Now, if you're seeding, here's a big tip. Make sure you're buying clean seed. That means it should say 0% weed seed and 0% crop seed on that bag. That way, you're planting only what you want, grass, and nothing else. Now, on the flip side, if you're not seeding and you just want to block weeds, you'll want to grab a pre-emergent. My top picks are the Anderson's Barricade. This one has Prodiamine in it. Or Crabgrass Preventer 2606. This one has Dithiopyr. Both are great tools to keep your lawn weed-free going into the fall. Now let's talk fertilizer, because fall is the absolute best time of the year to feed your lawn. A lot of people will start hearing starter fertilizer right now, but honestly, that's more of a marketing buzzword. What really matters is the nutrients your lawn actually needs. And the only way to know that is to look at your soil test. Here's how it works. If your soil has too much phosphorus, don't add more. Pick a fertilizer that has 0 phosphorus. But if your soil is low on phosphorus, then go with a fertilizer that is higher in phosphorus because it helps your new grass roots grow strong. No matter what, your lawn will love nitrogen in the fall. It's the main meal that makes the grass thick, green, and healthy before winter. So here's a quick recap. You want to pick one path, seed or pre-emergent, but don't do both. If you're seeding, seed smart. Use clean seed, 0% weed, 0% crop. And do not use Prodiamine or Dithiopyr pre-emergent. Now, if you're focusing on weeds, use Prodiamine or Dithiopyr. And fertilize wisely. Let your soil test guide you and make sure you're giving your lawn the nutrients it really needs. Take these steps and your lawn will be set up for success this fall.